Hello, in this video we will discuss what is TFTP. Guys, TFTP stands for Trivial File Transfer Protocol. It is a UDP based protocol. It uses port number 69. So if you want to configure your end machine as a TFTP server, you have to run an application on this machine. After running the application, your system will act as TFTP server. Now the question is, why we use TFTP in networking? So guys, you have a router and somehow someone deleted operating system file from your router. So for that backup purpose, router will get operating system from a TFTP server. So basically it is used for backing up operating system, backing up configurations in real-time scenarios. So first is we can back up the operating system with the help of TFTP. Second, we can also back up configurations that are present on the devices. So these are the things which we can do easily with the help of TFTP. That is how we are using TFTP in networking. So guys, in this video we have discussed what is TFTP and how we use TFTP, or you can say for what purpose we use TFTP in networking. Thank you.